okay? And that's the solar eclipse, okay? Now, when we have a lunar eclipse, what happens? Can anybody tell me what they think happens during the...
The Earth is in front.
The Earth is in front of what? What is the Earth
In
in?
front of the sun.
Can you move it to where it goes?
And then this
Okay.
goes in front.
What goes in front?
This is
moon.
And then you put the moon right here. And then
So
put
the
shadow.
moon passes through what?
The Earth.
The Earth.
The Earth's shadow. Okay. So let's come on, moon, travel through. And then
Comes in your moon.
we'll put the rest of the shadow. And then what type of moon do we have now? New moon. Why is it a new moon?
Because it has no light.
It has no light inside.
There we go. And this is called what type of eclipse?
Lunar eclipse.
Okay. Now, who thinks they can do it all on their own? I'm gonna shuffle all the pieces. We're gonna turn over the cards. I'm gonna let you guys flip a card, and you're going to make the eclipse that whatever card you did.
Oh man, do we have to?
Okay, just.
All right. Let's see if Litzy can make a lunar eclipse.
The one that we just made. Forgot what moon was.
Think about it. Look, what is it going to pass through? Is it passing through the light or the shadow? Good job. Who else would like to make one? All right, Hughes. Turn over a card. You got to turn over the card to see which one you're going to make. What is that called?
Lunar eclipse.
Okay, so what happens during the lunar eclipse? What do you need?
What do I need?
Yeah, to make a lunar eclipse, what do you need? Okay. Okay. What else do we need? Where does the moon pass through during a lunar eclipse? The moon passes through the what?
So it's like
The shadow or the light?
light.
Shadow. Shadow.
Shadow.
So let's put the moon passing through the Earth's shadow. No, you were right. But you gotta put the moon, it's passing through the shadow. Okay? And then let the shadow come out through that side as well. All right, what goes over here?
So it's light.
Okay. Good job. All right, who else would like to do one? Come on, Julia. Oh, I'll let you go next, Jay Strong, okay? All right, turn over your card. All right. Good job.
Great job. Yeah.
Jay Sean, you can return. What are you making?
Lunar eclipse.
Okay.
We are going to play multiplication ball. This is how you play. You are going to roll the dice, and that is the number that you go. So if I roll 5 and a 1, I'm going to go 5 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 this way, and pick up the card. If you get the card correct, you get to keep it. And if you miss it, you just put it right back down, okay? Okay. So Kevin's going to go first. Okay, you got 4 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, over 2, over 2. There you go. 1, 2, pick it up.
Good job.
12 times 0.
12 times 0, what's 12 times 0?
0.
Good job, you may keep it good to the back of the line. Brock.
Specialty, specialty. It's too big.
So he got 2. 2, so 4 total. 1, 2, 1, 2. Read the card out loud.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Is he correct?
Yes.
Good job, you may keep it.
Let's see what I get.
Okay, Julian.
I got a 4
Okay,
and a 6.
good job.
You just whacked it.
2.
3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 5. 5 times 0 equals 0.
Is he right? Is 5 times 0 0?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Go, buddy.
3 times 6. No, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9.
No, I just got 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep.
1, 2. I hope.
No, you can't hop. Go to that one.
Where?
Whichever one, but you have to take one step. No, go to this one. You can't hop. There you go. What's 4 times 11?
44.
Excellent job. Is he right, guys?
Yeah.
Good job.
Can I write? We're at me. The 3 of us are tied. Oh, wait, and him.
2, 3,
It shows the answer.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
0.
Excellent job. It was 0 times 11. Is 0 times 11 0?
Yeah.
Good job. We're good. We are going to talk about how to accommodate a test. So I have a division test here that is 4 digits divided by one number with remainders. So for some of our IEP kids, we can accommodate this in a couple different ways depending on their abilities. So one way would just be the simple take 2 away, and they would just do half the test, and we would grade it as though they did all 4 of them, but with only 2. So say they got 50%, they would get 50% out of 4, so 2 out of 4 instead of 1 out of 2. Another way would be to rewrite the test for modification. So this is the same division that you have to know the steps of divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, so we know the child understands that concept. But these are more simple numbers that easily go into each other equally and don't have remainders. For the kids that are still struggling with long division in general, we can give them something like this, which is a color by number of division with 0 through 12 facts. So what I would ask the child to do is complete this. But then at the side, I would have them write the divide, multiply, subtract, bring down steps, so that I still know they fundamentally understand the steps of long division, even though we're working on 0 through 12 facts. Okay. Another modification would be to write the steps for them on the piece of paper. So what I mean by that, so we know that a 0 is going to go in this space because 7 can't go into 1. We'd also add the multiplication sign right here to remind them that the next step is to multiply. I would then add the subtraction sign right there with the equal sign right here, and so on, to remind them of the steps. So they would still be completing the steps independently, but with reminders of where the numbers go. This is a show what you know quiz that is mostly multiple choice. So for some of our kiddos, the most appropriate way to test them on this would to be eliminate 2 of the answers. So for the question, which is the direct object in the following sentence? Mary is running down the big hill. I would simply eliminate Mary and running. On the back page, there is a written response question. For some of our kids, I would have them write it, and we just wouldn't take off for sloppiness, spelling, or punctuation. For others, I would have them orally say it to me, and I would scribe it. And for some of our children, I would just admit it all together.